I don't care about bikes. Actually, I don't care about bike brands. I'm not that interested in bike tech, and I don't go into bike shops or read bike magazines. What I like about a bike is functionality. I like getting up in the morning to ride somewhere new. I like pushing myself through the world under my own power. I like how easy bikes are to operate. I like that feeling of speed, of movement through the world. Faster than walking and slower than a car. I like rolling. I like gliding along effortlessly. I like riding. I like being in control of the adventure. And I like being able to stop when I want to. I like that wherever I go in the world, there are bikes. And that bikes are so readily available that anyone can get one. I like that you can operate bikes without a license. And I like how affordable they are. I like that children can buy a bike with pocket money. I like the freedom, and I like the way they look. I like that they're quiet. I like how I can go to places I can't get to with a car. A bike is so much more to me than a brand or a label or a style. It's an extension of me as a human. It makes my life better.